Good morning, my dear students. I am R. Shankar Raman from Mylapore, Chennai. I have been handling students of 11 and 12 in mathematics and CBSE for the past 30 years. I am interested in participating easy mathematics competition. I am going to tell you one easy activity which is a verification for the particular rule a plus ar plus ar square etc. up to infinity is a by 1 minus r minus 1 less than or less than 1. It is called infinite GP, infinite geometric progression. Okay, that is a is the first term, r is the common ratio. If I go up to infinity, the result is a by 1 minus r for any value between minus 1 and r or not equal to 0 is a common rule for any geometric progression, of course. Okay, how to verify this rule in a particular case? Let us say, let me just think about 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus etc. up to infinity. Okay, as per the formula, it is 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, which is 1 by 1 by 2, which is 2. We will verify this particular answer using a simple activity. Just listen carefully. I take two sheets of paper of any size, each represent number 1. Okay, I'll just put one paper on the table. I'll fold the another paper, okay, equally and unfold. You know very well each part represents half. I put one half over here about this. This is my half. Okay, I'm left with the remaining half of the second sheet. I fold it equally and unfold. I'll tear it off and put it over here. I'm putting 1 by 4 here. I'm left with the remaining part of the second sheet. I fold it equally and unfold, and I'll tear it off and put it over here. This is 1/8. And I can repeat this process as many times as possible according to the size of the paper. If the size of the paper is very big, okay, as equal as the size of the wall in which we are sitting in general in any room, I can go even 100 times. Depends upon the size of the paper anyway. Okay, what I intend to do here is I am trying to find 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 etc. Actually, practically speaking, if I go in this process, if I proceed this process, I can't go beyond the two sheets of paper automatically. Each represents number 1. Therefore, the summation has to be 1 plus 1. Each sheet represents number 1 I have taken initially. Our summation has to be automatically 2. Let me just repeat once again. I take two sheets of paper of same size. That is very important. Each represents number 1. I put one sheet of paper on the table. Okay. Then I'll fold the second sheet equally and unfold. I tear off one part and put it over here. It is equal to putting half over here. Okay. Then from the remaining sheet, I'll just fold equally and unfold and tear it off and put it over here. I'm having 1/4 which is being put over here. From the remaining sheet, just fold equally and then unfold and tear it off and put it over here, 1 by 8. Now I'm trying to find 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32 etc. and so on. Now I can do this process as many times as possible according to the size of the paper. Practically speaking, I am trying to find 1 plus half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 etc. in this particular process. Therefore, if I go up to infinity, I can't go beyond the two sheets of paper automatically. But therefore, the summation, this infinite summation is equivalent to sum of the representation of these two papers. Each paper represents number 1. That 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Using the formula, it is a by 1 minus r. 1 by 1 minus r is half. 1 by half, which is 2. Therefore, using the formula also, it is 2. Using this activities also, it it is true. For this kind of verification will make you thorough with the usage of the formula, okay, and therefore you'll be able to make a thorough explanation of usage of this particular formula in this particular case. It's a verification for a particular case. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Therefore, watch, like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you, students. Thanks for patient watching.